All right, so let's do a small unboxing of this scale. So let's change the camera so that way you can see it. I'm going to zoom out. So this scale, I like it a lot. So you can get it in Walmart for $25, or you can buy just a regular one for $10. So the difference is not that big. This is the model, as you can see here, 670 C671 boost. So it says smart body composition scale, 13 biometric measurements, connects with the app. Yep, I have the phone here. I'll show you later how you can connect it and the measurements that you're going to get. So it says pregnancy, babies, and pets. I don't know, maybe for your dogs and cats. I don't know. I don't think so it's going to work, but okay. Clear LED display, so it's going to look the way you see it here. I mean, very easy. And USB-C rechargeable. I don't know if you can replace the batteries on this when the battery dies, but it's something good to know just in case. Other than that, here you can download the app that you see here. Let me show you. Here it says VeSync. And this is the best thing that you can get without spending a lot. I saw another scale that they are like 100, 200. They are crazy. This is not that much. So the specifications, let's read it. So it says weight capacity up to 200, almost 200 kilograms or 400 pounds. What else? Battery, 300 milliamps. Input 5 volts. Here you have the dimensions. If you need 30 by 30 by 2.5 centimeters, or in inches is 11 by 11 by 1. So it's almost 12. So it's 11.8. And it says it works with iOS, also for Apple products, 12 operating system or newer, and with Android 6 or plus. Other than that, very simple. So once you take it out of the box, I'll show you. It comes with this manual. There is not much. And the manual, the main thing is, it says don't use it if you didn't charge it, basically, at least for 5 minutes. So here you have the scale. So you put your feet here, and yeah, you can use it in pounds or kilograms. That's it. So I am in US, we use pounds here. Other than that, in the other side, this is the way it looks like. And here you have a button. I think if you push this button, it will change from kilogram to pounds. Here says unit. Barely you can read it, but this is otherwise you can change it from there from the phone. Here you have the USB port. Like I said, just put it, and in a few minutes it will charge. I think in half an hour it will be fully charged. Other than that, you have to stand on this barefoot, and that's it. So I'll show you here on the screen. So if you want to buy like $25. This is the way you're going to get. I like it. I mean, it's nice. And now I'm going to show you the phone, so the way you can see it. So here, if you see on the top left where it says VeSync, click there. You have to download the app, and then you're going to have a lot of advertisement as usual. So you have to create an account. You create the account, and then here you are going to get, I don't know, advertisement. Here you have different scenes. I don't know, in my case, because they have like a lot of products that you can add. So if you go here, you can add a purifier, fan, thermostat, and blah blah extras. So once you click here, you will add the devices. So here you have the fitness, and here is my weight, so almost 200 pounds. And here you can change, you can set it, I don't know if you can see it better. Okay, here, so 7 days, 30, 90 days. So I bought it like 1 or 2 weeks ago. And if you go down and tap here, you will see body fat, BMI, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, metabolic age, and body water, protein, BMR, fat-free body weight, muscle mass, bone mass. Basically, those are the main things that, I mean, if you don't want anything like very complex with hundreds of options, I think this will be good enough. So here you can see if it's good, if it's bad. You can set some achievements, and the main thing between this and a regular scale is that here you can you have track of your weight and see how everything is. At least in my case, to reduce my body fat, I'm doing the keto diet, so proteins, eggs, chicken, and fish, and I think that will work, plus some exercise that will help a lot. So this is that's it for this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you want to buy it, I'll leave you the description and the video description, the link in the video description as usual. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.